How to change currency on Buddy Budget Planner. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. If you're using Buddy Budget Planner and want to change the currency so your expenses and budget show in the right money format, here's how you can do it. First of all, open the Buddy application on your device, and from the main home screen, go ahead and click on Tools at the bottom right corner. From the Tools tab, go to the top left section and click on the gear icon. Now this will open up settings where you need to click on currency. Under currency, choose the currency you want to change to, and you'll be able to see you have successfully changed your currency in the app. Now your Buddy Budget Planner should show everything in your chosen currency, making budgeting more easier and more accurate for you. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.